Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvia. Okay, so I have this ruffle top which is in white color, which is not that tight and not that loose. So what I am going to do is that show you different styles with this same top, like different looks, sorry. So you can have different looks with this same top. And yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay guys, so first look is really basic. It has black jeans and a white top, the same top, and it is really basic. Yes, black and white is common, but then also it is looking very nice. So this is the first look. You can go office, college, anywhere with this. And the second thing you can modify is that just tuck in your white top inside that and it looks amazing. Now the second look is also really nice. It is combination of blue and white, like blue jeans and white top. It looks amazing. I wear this only, like when I go to office I wear this combination only because I feel black and white is very common. So blue and white looks smart, amazing, yet stylish. And always tuck in your top because if you keep it open outside it looks really bad. Now the third look is really beach wear or outing wear, which you can wear when you are going out or when you are going for a party or just to roam around. It is really amazing look. I just love this look. Like shit, it's looking so nice. In this, keep your hair behind. It will look more amazing. And if I wear boots below this it will go great, like it's an amazing look. And if you want you can go for a sling on this, but I suggest don't go, be free, it will look more amazing. And yes, your phone, just hold on. And when you're wearing your shorts like this, keep your phone in back pocket. It's a big go-to for your style, see. But if it's covering, like your top is covering, keep your top inside and show off your phone. It looks amazing. It's a good go. See guys, I hope it's looking good. It's a nice look. And if you want you can put this, like you can tuck in from here if you guys want, or you can put in your pocket if you have a pocket in your shorts. But I personally like this way. It looks amazing. And if you want you can tuck in or just tie a knot, but I personally don't like and I won't suggest you guys to tuck in or tie a knot. I suggest be this way. Yes, so this same top I can wear at my office, at my college, and at my relatives function, even at beach, and even for outing. Now let's go for next look. In this also you keep your hair behind or just tie your hair above like this way and wear hoops. It will look really amazing. And you can even tie a puff this way if you want. I hope it's looking nice. Yeah, this way if you want. And yes, that's it. You can go with boots, slippers and white shoes is amazing. I just love this look. It's really nice. Now this is the last look. in this look you can go for blue shorts, light blue shorts, and white same old t-shirt, sorry, top. And you can see how cool it is looking. It totally depends, your look totally depends on type of shorts. If your shorts is tight from thighs, then don't ever tuck in your top. But if your shorts are loose from thighs, then you can tuck in your top. It looks amazing. It gives the illusion of your tiny waist. And this is high waisted shorts, so it totally depends on your shorts. So I just love this look and I really like, it's amazing. You can go with a backpack as well. Pink cute little backpack or any other black color or any backpack will look cute on this. Okay guys, done with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section which look did you like the most. And please do hit like and do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you're wearing white or black, white or blue, or white or shorts, then do let me know. Do DM me on Instagram. I'll repost that, and I would love if you recreate this look. This is really basic. And yes, that was all. And this is not a t-shirt, this is top. So t-shirt have different looks and tops have different looks. So yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye, see you in next video.